Hey, this is Leland Titus. I'm the qualifying broker with Santa Fe Realty Unlimited here in Santa Fe, New Mexico, our beautiful area here, which we live in. And today I have Stacy Crossingham. She's a mortgage advisor with Finance of America Mortgages, right? Did I say that right?
Mortgage, yeah.
Mortgage, okay. And so today we're going to talk to you a little bit about the loan process. There's a lot of myths and kind of misrepresentations out there. People believe that it's hard to get a loan in today's market. Well, Stacy's going to clear some of that up for us. So without further ado, Stacy, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, I'm Stacy Crossingham. I'm with Finance of America Mortgage. I've been in the mortgage industry for nearly 30 years. I come with a lot of experience and do all kinds of loans, from your normal Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac conforming loan products, jumbos, reverse mortgages, government loans like FHA, VA, USDA, down payment assistance programs, depending on where you are in the country, and do a lot of alternative credit type financing for those that may not have perfect credit.
Wow, so you can really kind of cover all the gamut, the whole anything to do with real estate. She can get you financing for it. Sounds like.
I do my best.
Okay,
do my best.
That's good. That's good. Well, and you do actually. I've used Stacy on a bunch of loans, and she's great. She's very thorough. She's very helpful. So I can actually recommend her.
Thank you, Lakeland.
So Stacy, why don't you tell us, a little bit about the process for, say someone that's maybe thinking of buying their first home.
Sure, be happy to. So the best way to start looking for a home is to be pre-qualified before you go out with a realtor and looking at homes. You want to know exactly what your price range is and what you qualify for. So we do a pre-qualification by getting certain documents ready. Obviously, some tax returns if we're going to do a tax return type program. Your identity, and we run a credit report, and we decide how much you're going to qualify based on your debt and income situation. Then we are willing to, what we do is not just willing, we provide a pre-qualification letter to the realtor so that they know what market you're going to be in and what price range. It just speeds up the process and makes it simpler for all the professionals involved. Right.
Well, I mean, I'm a big fan of pre-qualifications because with that gives us a good basis to go off of, and we know we're not looking at $300,000 houses when the person could potentially afford more or less, and so it really helps the process and helps us in the beginning. So Stacy, I know that some people believe that there's huge, you have to have a huge down payment. Tell me about some of the programs that you have for down payments.
Well, there's some wonderful programs out there. If you're a veteran or in the military, obviously you qualify for 100% financing. There's the rural USDA program that is 100% financing for eligible properties in certain areas, and we can tell you where those eligible properties are in your market. We have programs that are down payment assistance programs that only require you to come in with $500 down. So you don't have to have a really high FICO score, and those are real easy to do. They give you either a 0% interest second for your down payment assistance, and then we work creatively to get the seller involved in paying your closing costs so that you don't have to come in with more than that $500.
And that's where I come in. I negotiate on your behalf, guys.
Absolutely.
We're gonna get you some assistance from the seller. Okay, Stacy, so, some people believe that just because they don't have your standard traditional tax return that, they may not qualify for financing. Do you have any programs for those people?
Absolutely. We have a bank statement program that we can qualify you based on your deposits in your bank statements for your business. So we also have for investors who can't prove they've been in business for 2 years, and a true no-doc where we don't even ask for any kind of income verification. We don't require any kind of bank statements. We don't require anything but title and appraisal and a stated income application. So people that want to borrow for single family, 1 to 4 single family investment properties, or an office building from $75,000 to $5 million, we can do no documentation type products. So There's something out there for everybody.
Sounds like some good programs.
Yeah. And we also have, for those people that like to fix and flip properties, we have wonderful no documentation investment loans for those types of properties as well. So they're 1 year interest only for fixing and flipping.
Well, it sounds like some great opportunities. Well, so as you can see, Stacy's very knowledgeable about everything that has to do with the finance world. She's been doing this for a very long time. You can reach out to either of us if you have questions about any of it. I'm Leland Titus. You can call me at 505-603-2435. That's my cell phone. Stacy, how can they get a hold of you?
My personal cell phone is 505-577-4304, and I am happy to get your calls and answer any of your questions.
Great. There will be a link down at the bottom to reach Stacy or to reach out to myself. So thank you guys so much for your time.